Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I posted. Had a lot of stuff going on, had a lot of personal stuff going on, but as you can see, it's snowing. We got probably about 6 inches of snow right now, and it's still supposed to snow for another like 4 or 5 hours. But it's good because that means today I can take the new car out. So don't have the Audi anymore. I ended up picking up a 2020 Subaru WRX that's currently covered in a lot of snow. So yeah, that's fun. So we're gonna go ahead and get it started and get ready because I gotta run to the store real quick. So let's go.
Artlist.io